Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use TradingView demo. First, understand that a demo account provides a safe space to practice trading with virtual funds. To get started, simply log into your TradingView account and activate the paper trading feature. This allows you to explore all the platform's functionalities, from charting tools to order execution, without any financial risk. It's an excellent way to build confidence. Once in demo mode, familiarize yourself with the interface. The paper trading panel is where you'll manage your virtual capital and view your simulated portfolio. Try placing a few practice trades. You can use market orders for immediate execution or limit orders to specify a price. This hands-on experience helps you understand order flow and how your virtual trades impact your account balance. Now, let's dive into more advanced features. Use the demo account to explore TradingView's extensive library of technical indicators and drawing tools. Try applying different strategies, like moving average crossovers or support and resistance levels, to your charts. You can also set up alerts for specific price movements, helping you practice timely entry and exit points for your virtual trades. To truly benefit from your demo experience, treat it seriously, just as you would with real capital. This mindset helps develop good habits. Experiment with different positions, sizes, and practice setting virtual stop loss and take profit orders to manage risk effectively. Remember, consistent practice is key to improvement. Also, for other great deals and that SOC link, check the description below this video.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.